Hey guys, it's Jesse with CADimensions. I just have a quick video for you today because, well, I'm busy. But that's kind of the point of this video. One of the main pushbacks I get from people not using SOLIDWORKS Visualize is that they just don't have the time for it. But I've heard it said that Visualize Professional can be an extra team member, like an extra set of hands. So I decided to do an experiment and see if that could be the case. I wanted to make a video, but I wanted to put as little time investment and mental energy into it as possible. I started off with one Visualize project that I made, and then I just made some simple variations of it. I would just take 10 to 15 minutes at the end of the day to set up an animation, render it out overnight. Some of them I used, some of them I didn't, some of them I tweaked and reran the next night. I had no real plan here. I was just kind of hoping that I could make some simple setups and then at some point assemble them into some usable video. I did that for maybe 1 or 2 weeks, just on and off wherever I could fit it in. And then about a month later, I came back to the media, edited it together, and this was the result. So could it have turned out better if it had my full attention? Almost certainly. But would it have happened at all if I had waited for the time to be able to do it? Almost certainly not. So with tools like configurations, render queue, and render all options, and just the ability to render stacks of frames that will be assembled into videos while you're off grilling dinner, I really do feel comfortable saying that Visualize Professional was an extra set of hands for me, and it was working while I was off eating or sleeping. If you're saying at this point, well, that's all well and good, Sprague, but you already know Visualize, so the setups were quick for you. Well, that's true, but remember at one point, I didn't know Visualize either. I think that Visualize is one of those products where you can really get a handle on the fundamentals and be off and running and creating great visuals very quickly. We have a great course that covers Visualize Standard as well as the professional features like what I was just discussing. And if that's not in the cards for you, but you have a project that needs to get done, keep in mind that we do also offer services for animations as well as static renderings. If you're looking for more information on this particular project, you can check out the associated blog, which I'll put a link to in the description. And we'll see you next time.